Ecamm fam, you're doing so great so far. I'm really, really proud of you. I know I can't actually see what you're doing, but like in my mind's eye, I can, and it's outstanding, and I'm really impressed, and I want you to keep going. Let's think about all you've done so far. You've added overlays, you've built out scenes, you know how to add in some of your own elements. So today we're gonna talk about working smarter. SMRT, we got this. If you, like so many of our users, create different types of content, maybe a podcast, maybe YouTube videos or presentations, maybe you want to live stream to vertical platforms like TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts, you probably don't want to have to rebuild your entire layout every single time. And that's where profiles come in. It's kind of genius. Profiles in Ecamm let you save completely different setups inside of our software. Today's tip is to create one additional profile for another type of content that you might create. Once you understand and start using profiles, switching between projects becomes incredibly fast. Everything is saved. There's no save button. It's just all there for you anytime you want to jump back into that project. So this was the profile that we built last time, but I can switch to a different profile that I've already created by selecting profile. And yes, I have a lot of profiles, but that's because I do a lot of productions. But let me show you an example of a totally different setup. This was for our 7-hour Cyber Monday sale video. So I've got countdowns, I've got placeholders, I've got totally different branding than we usually have. And this is an example of our dual mode, which is really cool, where you can set up both wide and vertical content all at the same time. So you can stream to different platforms of different dimensions, or you can just record, and each one of these can be designed totally different. This one, it makes sense wide to have me be next to my guests, but in the vertical one, it makes more sense for us to be on the top and on the bottom. And everything that's here can live totally independently, so you can totally customize your shows to be whatever you want. But this is the power of profiles. I know that everything in this profile is for this project, and everything in the other profile is for the other project. Here's a little pro tip. If you created a certain profile that you really love, all of the layouts, all of the design and everything, but you just want to change the colors or the different assets for a customer or for a different podcast or something like that, you can go into Ecamm, go up to profile, duplicate the current profile that you really like, rename it, and then change what you want to change. Don't look at my profiles as an example because I'm a hot mess, but yours will be super organized, and I'm really proud of you for that. It's going to be great. In this next video, we'll take your production even further, as if it was possible. It is, because you're amazing. And I'll show you how Ecamm helps you look polished on camera with built-in camera effects and all sorts of bells and whistles. I'll see you in the next one.